Let me show you two different ways how to unpair your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 and also how to pair it after that with a new phone. So first, if you want to unpair them, first if you have, let's say, a Samsung phone, you simply head to your phone settings, click on your buds here. If you click on the manage connections, you have the reset option here. So simply click reset and everything will get reset, and also they will get unpaired, ready to be paired with another device. Then if you have a non-Samsung phone, what you can do is you can simply swipe down, enter your Bluetooth settings. So click and hold on the Bluetooth, click on details, and then click this settings icon here. And you see you also have this option here to unpair. So click this, unpair, and they get unpaired from your device. If you then want to pair it with a new device, what you do is you simply again insert the earphones in the case, open the case, and if you are trying to pair it with a Samsung phone, a window should appear on your phone after a while. Maybe let's see how long it takes to pair. If it doesn't appear, what you do is you simply press and hold this like back button here. So you see you have back button here that you can press and hold. So I'm going to click and hold it. I see it will start to blink in these various colors, and then you see you have this like pop-up that you can click connect. So if you do not see this pop-up, if you can't click connect, then again what you do is you simply go to your Bluetooth settings. And you see in the available devices, they appear here, and you can kind of pair with them in this way as well. So, yep, agree to this stuff, and you should be good to go. Okay, and you see you have access to them. And then if you are trying to pair to a non-Samsung phone, what you have to do is you have to download this Galaxy wearable app. So for any Android phone that is not Samsung, maybe like a Pixel, Xiaomi, Motorola, Huawei, Honor, or whatever you have. So you simply download this and again open and it will like give you a choice to connect to them as well. If you want to connect to iPhone, they do not have any app, but so you simply go in the phone, Bluetooth settings on iPhone, and again, if you like press and hold the button here with the case open, you should also see it and be able to connect to iPhones as well. Good luck.